Alright, so what you need is a 3D printer, an egg, and I like to use butter so it doesn't get stuck to the pan, and a pan that will fit on the printing bed. So yeah, right now, I'm getting it to 70 degrees, right about there, or Celsius, which equals about, what is it, like 150 Fahrenheit? But yeah, let's let it heat up. Alright, so, pretty good angle. Yeah, whatever. So, my butter. Alright, that's hot. Alright, now let's let it melt. Oh, that's kind of taking a really long time though. Alright, next day when I'm recording this, but it ended up not cooking like all the way. I had it on for like 10 minutes at 80 Celsius, so I just threw it away. But thanks for watching, and I don't know, follow my TikTok. Almost to 20K.